Shanghai CGEC Electrical Control Company Limited is the first manufacturer devoted to industrial joysticks for 18 years, including joystick innovation, R&D, production, and special customized service. In 2018, CGEG got ISO 9001 TÜV certification. CGEC has over 20 series of products and 5 national patents, serving home and global customers in many industries. The industrial joystick is applied to AWP, aerial work platform, and CCTV control system, construction machinery, heavy-duty operations and engineer vehicles, crane, forklift, excavator, electro-hydraulic control system, and medical system. In AWP, aerial work platform field, CGEC occupies more than 80% share in China original market and the most of aftermarket. They have kinds of joysticks used on AWP such as Genie, JLG, Howlot, Skyjack, Manitou, Snorkel Upright, Sani, XCMG, Zoomian, DLI, Mantal, Sinoboom. CGEC produces more than 60,000 of joystick in a year and will arrive 80,000 in 2020. Popular sell to North America, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. We will continue devoting to R&D industrial electronic controller and supplying the best quality products to both international and domestic customers. The most important, we believe in live better and do better, making all employees happiness and moving touch all clients.
We will continue devoting to R&D industrial electronic control and supply the good quality products to both international and domestic customers. The more important, we believe in live better and do better, making all employees happiness and moving touch all clients.